Hi, welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be changing the air filter on my wife's 2012 Vauxhall Agila B. So this is the vehicle in question, and to change the air filter on one of these is very easy, though saying that a little fiddly at the same time. So the air filter lives at the back of here, and there's a clip just here where my finger is, and there's a clip on the other side there. So what you have to do is just flip those back out the way, and then you then push this backwards, and then with two hands the air filter lives in here, so you need to just slide that out of that compartment. And then I've got a nice new one in the box here, which I'm then going to put back in, but I'll show you the old one once I got it out. As I said, it's quite a fiddly job to get it out from inside this section here, but you get there in the end with it, just with a bit of wiggling and jiggery pokery. That's the old one. As you can see, it's rather mucky, so it's a good idea that we're going to be changing that today. So the new filter we're going to be fitting is a Pure Flex one, and that's a A1558, which is suitable for a Opel Agila B, a Suzuki Swift, and also for a Vauxhall Agila Mark II 1.2 16 valve, which is what our car is. Well, the two filters are slightly different to each other, but I should double check it's going to fit in there in a minute. The size wise they seem about the same, although saying that the depth of this one here is different to what that one is. I seem to remember last time I did a filter change on it actually, that the old one that came out was the same as this, and that this one that went in was slightly different, but they fit in the same hole. But as it says, it's actually for this vehicle, so hopefully that will fit. So when you put it in, it's the actual bit that's sticking out the most is what goes forward into the box itself. So you can see it all locates within that slot there all the way around. And as I said, the main bit that's sort of sticking out, because on the back it was more flatter, that is what goes to the front. And then obviously we just pull it back into there, and then we just can put the clips back on it, and that's all in there nice and snug. So that's the air filter now installed. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. It'd be great if you could like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you again in the next one. Cheers.